So today I'm off to Exeter, which is about an hour and a half. I've got a mate who's coming down from Wales for the weekend, so I'm going to meet him. That's just over halfway. So, yep, out on the road.
So I catch you working now.
Water and burger, what is a meal deal, yeah?
What do you want?
Huh?
Water and cheeseburger he wants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but not in the cheeseburger.
Is it a single cheeseburger still or a double one?
A single, fine, thanks.
That's the latte there.
I thought you were going to be a waiter for me. I'll come and get it as well.
Water.
He's only got little legs.
Yeah, no, I've never ever test ridden the bike I bought. I like it, and that was this.
At least sit on it, see if your feet are touch the ground.
Oh, that's very, what you want? Yeah, because I do like the CVO.
Yeah.
I quite like that, but it's all camouflage paint. And I'm like, oh, do I like that? But every time the more I see it, the nicer I think it is. Yeah, that's low compared to. Yeah, I can get drop rings, see?
Yeah.
Just drop it 2 or 3 inches, which I do because this is the super soft seat and then a good seat.
But we added all this. This was fun when we added all this on.
Yeah.
Because Harley supplied this piece here, the piece that goes on there.
Yeah.
But then that was all the threads were back to front, so we had to drill the actual bottom of the frame to be able to put the thing in.
Yeah. Well, like look, they got the Moto Tech, I think, or something like that. The hard boxes.
Yeah.
And all that. And if you want to buy them off Harley, that's 1,600 quid.
Yeah.
Plus the kit, and that's 600 quid. If you go to Givey or whatever, I go to Native Viking on eBay, probably up in Northumberlandshire. I can get them for like 600 quid with the kit, and that for 400 quid. And that's a 48 litre one.
Just that plate alone was 200 quid plus.
Yeah.
The bike comes with this one on.
Yeah, that's it,
But it doesn't come with that.
yeah.
And that plate to fix that one, that's over 200
Yeah,
quid on its
the
own.
M5 plate, and that's what I call it.
If you want to use genuine Harley stuff.
Yeah.
Hello. All right.
Yeah.
So what magic cleaner do you use that you've only got to use it once a month?
Any of that stuff. We don't care.
No,